Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this HALA digital watch. So this is the analog watch what I have just kept right now, and this is the analog watch which I have purchased recently, and this is the watch HALA G96 SSA-Yellow sports water resistant watch which I bought for like 175 rupees. So just let me take this out and we'll check how it looks and what are the functions it has. So yeah, so let me open this quickly. Yeah, I just removed the cover here, and this is what the package, lightweight, and to my surprise the price has been really reduced. I got this for 175 rupees and it was now showing like 142 rupees. Very good price drop. And yeah, if anyone is getting even lesser than 142, please do comment. Okay. Yeah, maybe this side. Yeah, even for the gifting purpose this looks premium, the package, and there is no cushion sort of material here, especially those who want to gift this. Just the watch itself with a waterproof cover covered here. Okay, it's looking premium for the initial impression. Let me take this outside from this cover. Yeah, the time and everything we need to adjust. Okay, so if anyone wants to know the detailed tutorial on how you can set the time and everything, I'll do a video tutorial and be posting in the description below for the tutorial to keep the alarm or to set the time and date. You can check in the description. Let me take this out. Yeah, see here, even the belt has steps here, and it is looking pretty heavy and premium also, and it has light here. Yeah, the blue light. Yeah, and the mode changing here, alarm, and yeah, at this price range this is pretty good. There is a set dial here. Small beep sound is there. Stopwatch, alarm. Yeah, this is the time. Yeah, this is the time. Yeah, maybe I'll do a detailed video. Yeah, this is for this setting to change it. Okay, yeah, fine. And this is the month and date itself, and Friday it is showing, so I'll be doing that. And this is the overall look of this stainless steel here, and the belt, and the quality of the strips are like, it's looking like not rubber, fiber sort of feel. Okay, not that flexible, the straps. Okay, so let me put on my hands and let us check how it looks. Yeah, see here, I just put onto my hand. It is looking premium, not like a 150 rupees watch or 170 rupees watch. It's looking premium, and the digits are also visible. Yeah, heavy build sports watch, like military sort of feel. Okay, yeah, it's decently good with even my wrist is pretty small. This would be good for someone who has bigger wrists. Okay, yeah, this you can see. And in the next video I'm just going to unbox this Elona 3-piece stainless steel knife set. I'll be dropping all these unboxing links in the description. You can check below. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And it has mentioned that it is water resistant. See here, as HALA SSA-Yellow sports water resistant digital watch for men, new generation, yellow dial black with strap watches. Okay, if possible I'll be attaching in the view process. You can check.